Now let's talk about prolonged fast. These are hard. I know you've done those. I've gone as much as a day and a half. But these are basically, like I said, it's like a cleaning crew. Like think of your teeth. You brush your teeth every day. That's
Yeah,
gonna be
hygienist, yeah.
yeah. When you're brushing them every day, that's gonna be like the regular intermittent fasting. And when you're getting 2 times a month, a year,
hygienist,
deep level hygienist cleaning.
Exactly, yeah.
That's like the prolonged fast. So
actually the best example, the best analogy.
yeah, cool. And what would you say is the best way to describe the benefits? Can you describe some of the benefits of the prolonged fast?
Okay, so when you do intermittent fasting, the body cleans the easy to clean toxins and proteins and recycle them. But some of the things that happen as we age, there are very deep layer of toxins and proteins that the body never have time to reach to, including the brain. So, for example, we know that Alzheimer's disease, and one of the main causes is something called beta. Forgot. Okay, so you have one of the things that cause Alzheimer's is toxic protein accumulation in the brain. Mm-hmm. So those prolonged fasting, they give the body the opportunity to clean things like beta amyloids that we
beta amyloids.
Yeah. So it gives your body simply a chance to remove a lot of the very heavy stuff that it doesn't have any time to clean. In the same way with hygienists, the hygienist cleans things like calculus that you have no technology to clean yourself.
Right. And there's some
activate new technology.
Gotcha. And there's some research that it actually helps clean out cancer cells. How much of a research is there on this, right? Like that prolonged fast can mitigate your odds of getting cancer, right?
Yeah. I mean, the thing is, think about it. Because if cancer is, I don't want to say anything that is strict about this is going to prevent cancer.
Yeah.
But think about what happens. Okay. So you don't eat. Now the body has to eat anyway. The body doesn't ask you. So what it's going to do is going to search for protein from the within. What types of protein the body can digest? A toxic protein like beta amyloids in the brain and damaged cells. So the body in the lookout for those cells. If there is a virus, it's going to eat it. It's going to look and
that's autophagy. That's essentially autophagy.
It's a deeper. It's like also it's even cellular autophagy in the sense that the body also going to look not just within the cell, but actually bad cells that it's going to eat.
The other thing you got to think about, again, we're not doctors. We're not saying that we guarantee this is going to, you won't get cancer if you do this, right? But the other thing to think about is, what does most cancer eat? Most cancer eats sugar, right?
Yeah, they're not going to have anything to eat. Yeah,
they're not going to have anything to eat for 72 hours. That can't be good for them, right? For the bad cells. So this is something.
Also, think about it this way, right? If you have an infection, what the body does, it shut down the hunger, right? The body knows. I mean, if you had the COVID, you probably wasn't hungry for
right. Well, there's a saying, starve a flu, right?
Yeah, the body knows what it's doing. The body knows the benefit of fasting. So the body's not so worried as much as we are by eating all the time. The body knows there are times that fasting can be useful.
Perfect.